Hey there.
Let's create a connection and enjoy the ride. Come join us here at Open Minds.
Hello! Are you excited about Halloween? I am. Now, I'm going to show you how to transform a big, beautiful pumpkin into a scary jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. First of all, you can go to a grocery store, a supermarket, a pumpkin patch, or a farmer's market to buy a perfect pumpkin. You can choose which you prefer, a big pumpkin, a little pumpkin, or medium-sized. Perhaps you like a round and flat pumpkin or a long and oval-shaped pumpkin. You decide. Just remember, try and find the cleanest and smoothest pumpkin. Look at mine. Do you like it? It's very big. Okay, to do this project, you will need some old newspaper, a pencil, a big knife, and a little knife. Please be careful when using knives. Do this project with a grown-up, like your mom or dad, because the knives are very dangerous. Okay, let's begin. The first thing we have to do is to remove the top part so we can clean the pumpkin inside. Put your pumpkin on top of the newspaper and get a pencil and draw a square or a rectangle, a circle, right at the top of the pumpkin with pencil. Then you get a knife or ask your mom and dad to do it and cut out the shape that you drew. When you cut it out, after you can pull it up, and this part you can clean away with a knife to make it nice. The pumpkin has got seeds and pumpkin flesh and strings inside because this is a vegetable. So you need to use your hands, and perhaps you can use a spoon to clean out the inside of the pumpkin. Please remove all the seeds. There are lots of seeds. Remove the seeds and all the strings and the pumpkin flesh and make it nice and clean. Have fun! Now that the pumpkin is clean inside, let's see, the hat fits on top. Like that. Perfectly. We could start thinking about the face we want to draw on the pumpkin. So, we need our pencil, and let's find the best side of the pumpkin, perhaps here. And it's nice and clean and shiny. We can get our pencil and draw two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Now, what kind of pumpkin would you like to draw? Shall we create a happy pumpkin, a spooky pumpkin, spooky, scary, frightening Halloween pumpkin, or the angry pumpkin? It depends. Let's think about the shapes we want to draw first. I will draw a happy pumpkin. I would like to draw two triangles for the eyes, one triangle for the nose, and a big smile with some teeth. Okay, look at me. First I drew the pumpkin's face with a pencil, but you can't see. So now I like the face and I'll go over it with a pen so you can see. One triangle, two triangles, three triangles, and a big, big mouth. A smile, because this is a happy pumpkin with some teeth, like that. Big teeth. There we go. This is my jack-o'-lantern's face. Now, this is a very delicate operation. you can get your knife and start cutting along. Please be careful. I'm cutting one triangle, the first eye. Okay. There we go. Pop. Out came the eye. Now with the little knife, let's go and clean it up a little bit inside. Like that. The first eye is ready. Then we'll clean it up later. Let's cut eye number 2. Number 2 came out. We can clean this up with water. Don't worry about the pen. We can clean it up afterwards. Let's clean the eye a little bit inside. Like that. Now let's cut the nose. Okay, that was easy. Whoops. So we have got 3 triangles, 1 eye, 2 eyes, 1 nose. There we go. Now let's cut the mouth. Be careful with the teeth. The mouth is very big, so we can cut in sections. Chop down this way. And remove the first part. You can even push it in. And take it out inside. Like that, and then we can work in little sections. There we go. The first tooth is ready. Be very careful around the teeth. Okay, look. His smile is coming along. So, I finished cutting out all the shapes. I have got 2 eyes, 1 nose, and a big smile as a mouth. Now I'm going to clean it up. My jack-o'-lantern is ready. Have a look. Do you like him? Get a little candle, and with the help of a grown-up, you can find a lighter or some matches to light the candle and put it inside the jack-o'-lantern. Let me show you. Inside, he's looking very spooky. Okay, the jack-o'-lantern is ready. Have a happy Halloween. Bye-bye.